Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video all about fractional indices. So a fractional index number indicates the root of the number that you are interested in. So for example, if I had 25 to the power a half, that means the square root of 25, or we can write it as 25 with a square root sign over it. Now, kind of in the older days, we would have written a 2 here to indicate it was the square root, because it's the opposite of squaring, but over time that 2 has become lost, and it's just this square root sign that happens. So the 2 we are undoing squaring to find out what number squared gives us 25. So the answer to that, evaluating that index number, would be 5. If we had 8 to the power 1/3, that is telling us, can you find out what the cube root of 8 is? And the cube root of 8 is, oops, not 8, the cube root of 8 is 2. And if you had 16 to the power a quarter, that is telling us to find out what the fourth root of 16 is. So what number, when you times it by itself 4 times, gives us 16, and that is also 2. I'm choosing those numbers because I can remember them off the top of my head. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So whatever the number on the bottom of the fraction is, that is the root that you are trying to find of the number. If there is a number on the top, then that tells us what we're going to do once we have found the root of the number. For example, if I had 8 to the power 4/3, that is telling us, first of all, cube root 8. Then with that answer, to the power 4. Okay, so the 3 is telling us to cube root 8, and then the 4 is telling us to put that answer to the power of 4. So first of all, the cube root of 8 is 2, and then we're going to do 2 to the power 4, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the answer is 16. So 8 to the power 4/3 is 16. If we had this question, 25 to the power 3/2, that's telling us to square root the 25 and then put that answer to the power 3. So the square root of 25 is 5. 5 to the power 3 is 125. So that answer is equal to 125. Okay, thanks for watching.